This thing comes with a light. When you screw the air hose onto your tire, you can actually see what you're doing because it comes with a light. Once you get the hose onto your tire, you have gauges. It shows you the tire pressure is at 27.9, and all you have to do is turn that dial you got to 35 and then push that button right there. Set it down on the ground and you can walk away from it. That short clip you just saw was made using this Dewalt cordless air inflator tool. It was about 28 degrees in the morning, and Honda Pilot showed a low tire on the rear. So it was a perfect time to go and give this a try, as cold as it was with the wind blowing. Now, the more I use this tool, the more I like it. This is just one really nice tool. Let me show you a few things here. Like I said, I've used it before. You saw that instruction manual. Well worth reading on this one. Keep putting it back in the box. It really would kind of wish it had a nice hard shell case or something. What it is 20 volt powered lithium. Use a Dewalt. You use a Dewalt 20 volt max battery with it, and it just goes in right here. I have a few Dewalt tools that use batteries, so I bought this separate without the battery. Over here on this side is your storage cord for cigarette lighter plug-in, and make sure your cigarette lighter is at least fused with a 10 amp. This is the air hose, and it screws on to the valve stem. Now, this is what sold me on this tool. As you know, I have a lot of Ryobi tools, and Ryobi makes something similar to this, but their little air chuck that goes on the valve stem is one with a lever that you flip over and then you lock it on. And I happen to like the ones that screw on, so long as you don't cross set them. I like these. They don't seem to wear out as fast as the lever ones, in my opinion. Anyway, that's what sold me on this tool. Okay, on this side is tools for airing up air mattresses, balls, things like that. And this hose here also has a deflator part for letting air out of the air mattress. Be great for camping and airing up things like that. Depends on where you want to put this hose piece right here, on whether you want to deflate or inflate an air mattress or a basketball or what have you. Now, what's really nice is you turn it on here. Oh, I didn't mention, you can get an adapter for 120 AC, but it's separate from this. Anyway, you turn it on here. When you screw the tire chuck on, it'll tell you what the air pressure is in the tire. Then you take this dial here and you turn it and you set it for whatever PSI you want in the tire, and then just push the button and it starts up. Now, it'll automatically shut off when it reaches the desired PSI that you set. Really cool that way. To air up a air mattress or a ball or something, you just push this. That means air, hose, and then that means tire. Right here is a light. You saw that in action as well. There it is. That come in real handy the other night. I used this battery. It not only did the Honda Pilot tire, but few other tires as well. So let me show you how much this battery, and this is a fairly good battery, fully charged, how long it lasted. You can use this Dewalt air tool to air up golf cart tires. And go ahead and turn it on. This golf cart tire requires 22 pounds. So rotate the dial around to 22. Okay, close enough. Tire looks good. And my 87 Ford pickup needs some air in its tire. These take 41 in the back. Looks about right. What I like about this setup is you can set it and it shuts itself off because I got something else I need to do. Okay, I've done 2 SUV tires, 4 golf tires, 1 truck tire, and I have 1 more truck tire to go. Now this was a fully charged battery right here, and it is down to 1. So we'll see how it goes. Normally I would charge the battery about now, but I'm going to go ahead and see if it'll play out for 35 more pounds, because I got 1 more truck tire to do. Again, I'm going to set this for 35 now on this one. I did not time how long it took to air this truck tire up, but I'm sure it's over 5 minutes. So it depends on how low the tires are and for how long it takes to air them up. But still, this is real nice if you are wanting to do something else and don't have time to babysit airing a tire up. This tire obviously takes more than 35 pounds to get fully aired, but that's all I'm going to put in it for right now because, as I showed you, the battery's low and I want to get it charged up. So this little unit by Dewalt will air up a lot of tires if you have a good battery, and it frees you up to do other things. Just got to remember to go back and check it and move it on to the next tire, or check your battery and charge your battery. I'm really liking this tool. Push that button for the battery.
The what?
Push that button for the battery. Okay, as you can see, the battery is still on a 1.